Tower Execjet 315 looking on the ILS 06.
Execjet 315, Teterboro Tower, runway 6, clear to land, wind 0209.
6, clear to land, Execjet 315. Tower Execjet 315, we got to go around.
Execjet 315, roger, fly the published missed approach, say reason for the go around.
315 published missed, and got one gear that hasn't come down.
Execjet 315, roger. Execjet 315, contact New York departure on 119.
19-2, 315.
Execjet 315, turn left heading 300.
Left 300, Execjet 315.
Execjet 315, I was told a gear issue for you. Do you want to hold out for a bit and run the checklist?
Absolutely, 315.
Roger, climb to 3,000 for now.
3,000, Execjet 315.
Execjet 315, call New York 12015, good day.
2015, Execjet 315. New York, Execjet 315, 3,000, heading 300.
Execjet 315, Newark approach, Newark altimeter 2985.
2985, what's the plan for us?
Execjet 315, depending on what you need, I was just going to box you around while you run your checklist.
Okay, we'll take, yeah, we'll do that, 315.
Okay. Execjet 315, turn right heading 350.
Right, 350. Center, Execjet 315.
Execjet 315, go ahead.
So we need to get a hold of the company. We need to do a phone call.
Okay, so does that mean you need lower?
No, we need to do a phone patch through you.
Oh, I understand. Stand by. And Execjet 315, we're just, whenever you're able, we'll take the number and we'll patch that through to you.
Yep, it's 866-689.
866-689.
Correct.
Execjet 315, and what would you like us to ask?
I need to talk to you before I can do a phone patch.
Okay, stand by. We'll work on that for you.
Execjet 315, turn right heading 360. I'm going to have you change to my frequency 127.33, please. If you can't hear me, just come back.
Right, 360, 2733, 315.
Execjet 315, and then the frequency 12377, please.
12377, Execjet 3.
Thank you. Execjet 315, loud and clear. Execjet 315, turn right heading 090. The flight ops manager said they were going to try to reach out to you.
Yeah, I mean, I could definitely relay a message to that number. Is there, like, a certain altitude that would be better for you? Maybe we could try to work that out instead. If not, of course, I could relay a message. VFR long runways, stand by. I'll look into that, stand by. Execjet 315, turn left heading 260, and I'm assuming you're looking for the VFR runway just to see if you could do a low patch to see if there's any issues with the gear. Execjet 315, roger, turn left heading 220, and I understand you need a VFR runway, and so if we can get that worked out, we'll let you know ASAP, and you said, so the gear is definitely one stuck down and one stuck up? Okay, sounds good. Execjet 315, we're working on sewer for you right now, and I'll have some more information for you in a moment. Execjet 315, I appreciate that. Execjet 315, the ceilings at Stewart Airport were 700 feet and broken. Philly International is VFR 12,000-foot runway if you'd like that. And Northeast Philly was also scattered VFR for right now. Okay, for right now you're cleared to Philadelphia via radar vector. Just fly your present heading, maintain 3,000. Okay, and Execjet 315, the company is aware of where you're going in the situation. So we'll keep relaying that information forward, and you can be sliding 200. Yeah, you can proceed direct to Philly. And Execjet 315, did you need a little higher for the altitude, or is 3,000 okay the whole way? Okay, Execjet 315, you can climb maintain 5,000.
This is 315, you got a sec? I want to make sure you understand we have a wet runway here, and it'll be a quartering tailwind, wind 33011. This is 315, do you plan on circling visually after doing the low pass to land 9 right? Roger.
Execjet 315, Philly approach, roger, flat present heading, and expect to clearance here in a few miles. Execjet 315, 7 miles from Glouse, maintain 1,600 to establish on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 left approach.
1,600 to establish cleared ILS 27 left.
Execjet 315, the winds at Philly Airport are 330 to 10, last base report was at 800 feet. You can contact tower 135.1.
35-1, 315. Philly Tower, Execjet 315, emergency aircraft with you on the ILS 27 left.
Execjet 315, Philly Tower, roger, cleared low approach 27 left, and the wind 330 at 11.
Okay, clear low approach, and so it's our right main gear, which we have no down lock on.
Okay, the right main. We'll take a look at the binoculars when you get here.
Thanks.
Okay, so the emergency aircraft is going to do a low approach first, so we can look at their gear. And after the low approach, I think the plan is they want to teardrop back around and land 9 right.
Our friend was listening over to 9 right after we take a look at them.
Okay.
Know that they're going to come back in at 9 right.
Okay, Roger, I'll let you know. Execjet 315, that's still the plan you want, right?
Yeah, still the plan. Due to the crosswind, we need to have it on the good side.
Roger.
He said he's going to teardrop on 9 right, correct?
That is the plan, yes. And he's about a 2-mile final now for the low approach.
That's friendly, thank you.
Any luck for 315? Okay, now 315, Execjet 315, we're on the low approach. Do you see anything?
Yeah, we're just looking at it now. The right main appears down, but I can't tell you if it's locked or not. It just appears down from here.
Okay, very good, thank you.
Okay, everybody at 27 left. Everybody's eager to get out of here. We're dealing with emergency. Guys are going to wait. This guy's going to teardrop back to land 9 right, so it's going to be a little while, guys.
All right, so 315, we're going to just climb up to 1,000, and we'll do a teardrop back in. We're going to stay below the clouds here.
Okay, do you want to do this visually, or do you want to go with approach to get vector for the ILS?
Do it visually. We don't have a skill for that.
Okay, Execjet 315. The minimum vectoring altitude in that area is 1,600, so altitude to your discretion, and advise return back in.
Okay, we'll stay below the clouds VFR and make our turn over the water here and then back in.
Okay, Roger. All right, Foxtrot 21, they're in the teardrop for 9 right now. Did you guys move I don't know if you have to move position or not, but they're just climbing out. They're going to do a right teardrop here, be inbound for 9 right momentarily.
That's what's friendly, we don't need to change our position. 350, they're landing here down there.
Yeah, Execjet 315 is going to turn back this way.
Okay, Execjet 315, wind 340 at 9, runway 9 right, clear to land.
9 right, clear land, 315.
Airport 10, power you up.
Tower, Airport 10 with you in the 239 vehicle.
Okay, you heard the plan, right? They're landing on 9 right. Oh, I see you down there. You're going down Sierra now, right?
Yeah, affirmative. We'll be holding short of 9 right at the approach end for Airport 239.
Okay, Roger. Airport 10 at the approach end, proceed on 9 right. Foxtrot 21, proceed on 9 right. Execjet 315, sorry you got stepped on there. Do you want to exit or do you just want to wait there and have them look you over?
I need to wait here, I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem. Alright, everybody waiting at 27 left here. We just had this emergency aircraft land 9 right. They had a gear issue. They cannot move their aircraft. So they're down there on 9 right, 27 left. They can't move. We're waiting on a tow come out to tow them back to the FBO. They've been holding on arrivals. There are a lot of arrivals coming into 27 right, so 27 right is not an option for departures at the moment. So everybody at 27 left, we're going to wait here. We're just going to wait until either traffic disappears or they get the tow out here. So if you want to shut down, just keep it tight with all the aircraft in front of you on the taxiways here, because you might have to park a bunch of airplanes here. So everybody keep it tight with the aircraft in front of you, then you can shut down over here.